What's going on?
What's up, brother? Look at that.
Get back.
Look.
We're trying to help. We're trying to get you home safe. So who can come and?
Hey, you know what?
I'm gonna read you your Taylor warning space.
It's midnight on a Friday when officers come across a luxury Audi in the middle of the road. But this isn't your typical breakdown. The car is missing the rubber on 3 of its tires, and a trail of oil is leaking onto the pavement. The driver seems completely oblivious to the fact that he's been grinding metal against asphalt, acting as if driving on rims is just another part of his Friday night routine.
Window! Open that window too.
What's up?
Open that window for me.
You okay?
Yeah.
What's going on?
No. You better go home.
Alright, hey, he's... Alright. Alright, can you step out?
Put your car in park.
Yeah, put your car in park.
What's up, brother?
Come on out.
Did you get in the tire?
Where are you coming from?
Nowhere?
Nowhere?
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink?
I'm just trying to get home.
Where do you live?
Garden.
So what'd you hit?
Nothing.
You're missing your tires.
What? What do you mean, missing my tires?
What's your name?
Yeah, you have your license? Where's your license?
What's your name?
1 second.
Alright, don't worry about it. Come on out. Don't worry about it.
I want my...
Yeah, you're good.
We got it.
Okay.
Here, come back here. Let's go over here behind the car.
Okay.
As soon as the questioning begins, we enter a classic loop of contradictions. The driver claims he's coming from home and going home. When asked for a specific neighborhood, he can't provide anything beyond the name of the city, Palm Beach Gardens. This lack of spatial awareness and slurred repetition are immediate red flags for the officers, signaling that they aren't dealing with a mechanical failure, but a severely impaired driver.
No.
Lean back on the car. I don't want you to fall. Alright, so we're going to ask you again. Where did you just come from?
Home.
And where is home?
Garden.
Where in Gardens? It's a pretty big city.
Palm Beach Gardens.
What's your address? Going?
Gardens.
That's not what I asked.
What neighborhood?
Yeah, it is exactly what you asked.
What neighborhood do you live in? David?
Garden.
That's the city. What neighborhood?
Garden. What do you want me to tell you?
Where are you coming from?
Gardens.
How much have you had to drink?
I don't know. I'm trying to get home.
So here's the deal. You hit something, you got 2 flat tires, at least. Your car's all f***ed up, so we gotta figure out what you hit. Stay here. What did you hit?
What are you talking about? I don't know.
Well, you do realize your car's in the middle of the road. Not moving.
What I realize is that you have a flashlight that's planted on me.
You know where you are right now. How about that?
Why don't you ask me a specific question?
Do you know where you are right now at this moment? I can't get any more specific than that.
No, yeah, actually you can.
Okay, where are we?
What road are we on right now?
I don't know.
You don't know what road? All right. Do you know what intersection that is right there?
No.
No.
I'm just trying to get home.
You want the road sauce?
Hit me up, buddies.
We're just trying to figure out what you're doing. What's going on? That's all we're trying to do. You're not giving us any answers. We're trying to help you out.
No, you're not trying to help me out. Hey, you know what? I'm all about.
He's not going to the hospital.
What?
Obviously not driving.
What?
You want the ones out here.
If I want. Of course, Carter's not here.
Yeah. It's gone here?
What?
No. What else can you do? I haven't done a DUI even in traffic week. Yeah.
What?
No, we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna do because
Okay.
we're
Take
trying.
your time.
We have nowhere to go. Your car's not drivable.
Okay.
Like I said, we're trying to help you out, but you're not giving us answers. That's all we're trying to do.
You're not asking me questions.
Okay. All right. Well, we asked you for your address.
I never heard that.
And when is that a neighborhood? What kind of neighborhood is it? Because it's in Palm Beach Gardens. I know that. I just want to know what neighborhood.
Gordon?
Gordon's?
No. What do you need?
Just the neighborhood. The name of the neighborhood.
Palm Beach Gardens.
That's the city. The city is Palm Beach Gardens. I'm asking your neighborhood. Like, what's your address?
Okay.
Where is your house located? In what neighborhood?
What does that mean?
Your house.
I am trying to get to non-beach gardens.
To where?
Non-beach gardens.
I don't know what that is. Non-beach.
I'm trying to get to.
All right. So, again, I'm gonna start over. Okay? You with me? Yeah. Where are you?
No.
I'm just asking. You want to start from the beginning? I'm asking you questions.
You want to start to
All right.
beginning or?
All right. I'm gonna start at the beginning. All right.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
I'm trying to get to
I'm not.
Palm Beach Gardens.
Okay. Where you're in Palm Beach Gardens right now. This is Palm Beach.
How do you corroborate that?
Because I'm a police officer for Palm Beach Gardens, and this is the city.
That doesn't mean anything.
It does. It does.
How do you mean?
Because I just want to know where you're coming from, not where you're going to.
Okay.
So where are you coming from? Where were you an hour ago?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, so how much have you had to drink?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Have
No.
you taken any drugs? Medication?
As soon as the questioning begins, we enter a classic loop of contradictions. The driver claims he's coming from home and going home. When asked for a specific neighborhood, he can't provide anything beyond the name of the city, Palm Beach Gardens. This lack of spatial awareness and slurred repetition are immediate red flags for the officers, signaling that they aren't dealing with a mechanical failure, but a severely
Taking any
impaired
drugs,
driver.
Medication?
No.
Okay. So,
I don't put.
what?
No.
Oh,
drugs,
drugs.
medication, or anything.
Oh, that's good. So you haven't had any alcohol tonight? This is time to be honest.
No. You didn't ask me that.
John,
Yeah.
who lives with you that can come and pick your ass up?
Sorry?
Who lives with you that can come and pick you up?
I'm sorry.
Who lives with you that can come and pick you up?
Why are you pushing
Don't
me like
touch
that?
me.
Yeah, I didn't push you.
Yeah, I said don't touch me.
Listen, we're trying to help
No,
you,
no,
man.
no,
Hey,
no.
we're trying to help you, man. We're trying to help you.
I did not push you. Look at that.
Get back.
Look.
Who do you live with that
I
can
do
come
not live
and
with
pick
anybody.
you up? Do you have a friend or a family member that can come and pick your drunk ass up?
No.
So how are we going to get through this?
What are you talking about?
All right.
You're the one that's pushing me.
We're trying to help you out here.
Yeah.
Okay?
I
Do you
can
understand?
walk.
No, you can't walk because your car's in the middle of the road. We're going to have to tow your car, and we're trying to get you home safe. So who can come and pick you up to get you home safe? You have no one, no phone. Do you have
What are you
any?
talking about?
Who can you call at this moment to come get you and bring you home?
Who is this person you're referring to?
You have a friend, family member?
No.
No, you're all alone here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's move forward a little bit here. And what are you trying to get to?
I'm trying to get you home.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Do you have Uber?
What do you mean, do I have Uber? Everybody has Uber.
Okay, can you call an Uber to come pick you up and bring you home?
You can call Uber.
I'm not calling no one
Pick me
for
up.
you. It's not my job to call you an Uber.
That's what you just said.
No, I said, can you call an Uber?
Okay. No,
Why not?
because it's your job. What do you want? Take me in.
For what?
For what? Is that what you said?
Yes,
Yeah.
for what? Why do you want us to take you in?
Okay.
Curious.
Yeah.
What's going on in your mind right now?
Lawyer.
You want a lawyer?
Yeah.
For what?
Legal research.
Legal what? Legal research?
Yeah. That's exactly my specialty.
Okay. Are you pleading the fifth right now?
I'm not pleading anything. Did I say pleading the fifth?
You asked for a lawyer.
Okay. Beautiful.
Hey,
Get out of my face. Take a step back.
I said,
Take a step back.
I said,
Take a step
I
back.
am.
Take a step back.
Okay. There you go. See?
are you looking to go to jail? Is that
Take
what
me to jail.
for what?
You tell me. You're the police officer,
Oh,
right? Or am I the police officer? You want me to tell you the law? You want me to tell
Realizing
you.
the situation is sliding out of his control, the driver tries to play the legal card. He begins demanding a lawyer and refuses to perform the standardized field sobriety tests. What many don't realize, and what we often see on this channel, is that refusing the tests doesn't make the case go away. It simply gives the officer more probable cause to arrest based on the driver's overall behavior and physical state. He tried to talk law, but forgot that the law doesn't protect you when you're behind the wheel of a wrecked car and can't stand up straight.
To tell you the law. Adios. Tell me.
Lean back on your car.
Hit me.
Lean back on your car.
No.
I want you to lean back on your car before you fall.
What?
So go on.
huh?
Hey, you know what? I am at your disposal.
Alright, get up. We're gonna have you do some roadsides, alright?
No.
No?
Do you refuse?
I am waiting for my attorney.
Alright. So you're refusing to do roadsides.
I am refusing my
So
attorney.
everything up to this point can be used against you. So I'm gonna read you these are your Taylor warnings basically. Up to this point, we're gonna be using it as evidence against you. You understand?
What's your
that?
name?
Officer Ferris.
What?
Officer Ferris.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna say it again.
What?
Alright. Stand up.
Let's go. You feel that?
I don't feel anything.
Come on.
What?
Come on.
What is that? A sigh of like relief?
Stay right here.
Huh? What does that mean? Sit right here.
Turn around.
I don't know what that means.
Turn around, we're gonna search.
I have nothing.
You have any weapons on you?
No.
Anything that's gonna stick me or poke me?
No. What's your name?
Here, I told you 3 times.
Sorry, hold on a second.
Why does it matter?
Fair. What's up, Fair? Officer Fair. The reason it matters, okay, is that you are violating the law, and the fact that you are Officer Fair, I will follow the law against you. No. The fact that you don't know what that means is a f***ing offense. Okay. Do you know why that's
Have a
offense?
seat.
What does that mean?
Sit in here. Just sit.
I'm sitting.
In the chair.
What chair?
Stand up. Come on. Now you're gonna sit right here.
Wait, what did you say? Stand up? Oh,
Let's go. Come on.
what?
Stop f***ing
Sit
around.
in the chair.
You gotta be specific.
Sit in the seat. Let's go.
What seat?
Get up and sit right here.
Where's right here?
In the back seat of this vehicle.
What vehicle? Be specific.
The one you're hanging half out of. Let's go.
The drama
only
wraps up with a final display of passive resistance as he's placed into the patrol car, complaining about being pushed. Once that door slams shut, his journey in the luxury Audi officially ends, and his journey through the legal system begins. Don't forget, my friend, to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and like the video so I can continue making exciting videos for you.